ਬਾਦਸ਼ਾਹ ਕੁੜੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੋਲਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਟੋਲਿਆਂ 'ਚ ਘੱਟ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਪਿਆਰਾਂ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਰਹੀਦਾ ਦੂਰਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਅੱਖ ਨਾ ਝਪਕਾਂ ਚਾਹੇ ਲੱਕ ਤਾਂ ਲੱਜ ਕੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਫਿਰ ਆ ਗਈ ਬੀਬਾ ਜੱਜ ਕੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਬਚ ਕੇ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਿੱਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੇੜਾ ਦੇ ਦੀਏ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਡੀਆਂ ਦਿਖਾਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਘੋੜੀਆਂ ਨੱਚ ਕੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਫਿਰ ਆ ਗਈ ਬੀਬਾ ਜੱਜ ਕੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਬਚ ਕੇ
So welcome to all those who are watching me right now. As you can see, it's already started from here. So I will not waste the time. I will make just 2 minutes, okay? And let's check where it is moving. Oh wow! Today Asia Composite Index is on the high level as it is showing like 93% of the profitable trade. Let's check till how much it will reach. As I can see, it is moving still to downward. I want to make just which I didn't make in the last previous trade. So I'm thinking to make just one time. I got just 2 minutes. Let's Oh, it's moving downward, so I think there is no need to make the here. Asia Composite Index is also moving to the downward, so let's wait where it will reach. As I can see, it is moving also to the downward. Oh, now it's changing the direction. Commodity Composite Index is moving very fastly, as you can see, guys. It's moving very fastly in the upward. Like only this one I see which is moving in the upward direction as compared to the other ones. And the rate is 20, not 20, it's 91% is the rate. So our Asia Composite is still moving in the upward, but it can also move to the downward. That's why I'm just waiting like on which accidentally or instantly it will move on which direction. So let's wait because it's variable. Now it is also trying to move downward, upward, both directions it's trying to move. And here it's finally reaching to the upward, but it can also come back to the downward. That's why I'm waiting like on final decision where it will move. So I think it's moving to the upward. Here it's trying to move downward. There is no need to like make it just a continuous trade. We can like analyze it. We can check it properly, like where it is moving. After that, I can make the trade. Even I can make here up trade. So because it will change the direction, but here it's trying to move to the downward. So like it can also goes to the upward. I have to check another one. See guys, I just make here 3000 and it's coming back to the downward. If I make like if I just 5 or 10 seconds and I make the trade here, then surely it will give the profit. But I make the up trade here and it doesn't look like that it will move to the above than this. Oh, here it's looking, it will cross, but here it's still moving downward. So let's wait, it will give after like 2 seconds, 2 minutes, and it's still moving downward, so we can't say anything now. We have the time period is 1 minute and 20 seconds is remaining as I make the 3000 here. So let's see. How much time is remaining? 49 seconds and still it's moving downward. Like I did the mistake here when it is moving on the third time here. Like don't try to make the trades in between when the Japanese candlestick is already moving that direction. Like I make because I think that from the last to previous it's just moving in the upward, but here it came back again to the downward. So, and it will take time, like it will go surely, but in the 20 seconds it will not reach on the upward. Let's check our Asia Composite Index. It should be better if I make there trade, or maybe I have to make the Europe Composite Index because it's moving and trying to reach to the upward. So this is completely lost. Zero profitable trade. Let's check when it will give the refund. So 10 seconds from the last, like 3 minutes, it's just moving in the upward. Here it's still moving in the upward, like it's trying to reach to the downward, but finally it is just moving in the upward direction. Here it can also move to the downward. Like still it's trying to upward, but it can goes to the downward also, because we can see here like this blue line is moving to the downward, guys. Here it's trying to upward. Yeah, that's awesome. So here it's trying to move downward now. Like continuous from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes it's just moving upward. But here it's trying to move downward, but like it can also come back to the upward. We can know about it, like we can get the information about it, like where it is going only after the time finish. Like this 28 seconds when this will finish, because this is the time of the Japanese candlestick. And we choose the time frame 1 minute for the Japanese candlesticks. That's why they are variable, changeable. This one was the Euro Composite Index. Where, well, Asia Composite Index, it's trying to move downward, as you can see here. Like it can go to downward or upward, both things can happen here. So here it's trying to move downward, but here it come back again to the upward. See guys, it's just now increasing on the upper side. So it's just moving upward now. This is the goal and it's moving completely like downward. It doesn't look from anywhere like it will come back to the upward as it's highly deeply reached now. Let's check. See guys, it's just moving now like parallel. The blue line is moving downward and this Japanese candlestick which is going like 2 seconds before and now on the upper side. But that movement it is also trying to move to the downward. But here it is again come back to the upward. So this Japanese candlestick line will also move to here. Let me make the trades. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Here it's just increasing, right? Yes. Here it is increasing, like it is not coming back to downward. If this will come here back, then it will give the profit. Here it again change the direction.
Karen, where are you at?
Let's wait for the 7 seconds and after that at least we will know about it, like where it is going. See guys, if I make the trade here, then it's just moving in the upward direction. It can recover in just one time. If I make here 8,000 dirham. So the previous one which I lost 3000, it will recover in just one trade. So here these are just moving to the upward direction, and I'm just waiting like here I have to make the trade. I use here Asia Composite Index because it is giving 93% profitable trade, as you can see by your own eyes. As I make the up trade here now, let's wait for the 2 minutes, right? And we will know about it, like it will move to the upward or downward. If I make this trade like here, then it will be, surely it seems and looks like that it will be a profitable trade, but I just make here 3000. So let's check after 4, 3, 2, 1. Now it's trying to move like downward. So we have the time remaining is 1 minute and 31 seconds. So like we have to wait for the 2 minutes. 1 minute and half seconds. Half means like 30 seconds. It's trying to downward, but it is not going downward. And this is giving the 93% profitable trade. That's awesome. So let's check our, this is like still profitable, and we have to just stay here for the 49 seconds, 46 seconds, and it will be a profitable trade. Hopefully. Just 30 seconds it has to be on the upper side, otherwise it will give the another loss. And if this will be a like profitable trade, then it will recover the previous one, like on the neutral. So guys, this is the profitable trade. I'm just waiting here, like it will move and cross this upward, or it will come back to the downward. So guys, here I make like 2 trades. One is loss, one is profitable. So there is no big loss here. And still I'm thinking to make on the Asia Composite or Euro Composite Index or commodity or gold. These 4 are the best, as I can see here. As you can also see here, it's trying to move just only in the upward direction. It's not trying to move to back downward. Still here it's trying to move in the upward. So here it is going upward. So our time is 2 minutes. So guys, you are also waiting like me. I am also waiting like you. Everyone is waiting like this. Let's check our time remaining is 1 minute and 2 minutes. Still, it's better to see the profitable trade here.
ਗਲਾਸਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚਦੀ ਅਸੂਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਹੀ ਕਦੇ ਕੀਤੀ ਨਾ ਫਜ਼ੂਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਟੀਚਰ ਕੋ ਬਸ
48 seconds and our time remaining is here 50 seconds, here 42. Guys, it's trying to come back to the downward and our time remaining is only 40 seconds and here it's only 30 seconds and still it's trying to move upward. As I can guess, I'm like guessing this, it's moving to the upward. It's a profitable trade, guys. So the profitable rate is only here it's trying to move upward again. What do you think, guys? I have to make one more. So you can see here two profitable trades and that's a great amount. Like this recovered this amount and this is the profitable trade. So now we can use the Asia Composite Index or Europe Composite Index, which is going very well right now, as it's just moving the upward and upward from the last continuous from the at least 7 minutes, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. 8 minutes, this is the 9th minute and is still moving in the upward direction. So here it's trying. Like if I also make a trade here, then continuous 2 minutes, it will also move in the, let's check, 1 minute. So here it's coming, like if I make the up trade here, then there is a chances, a little bit chances that it will move to the downward, but here I think it will come back again to the upward. So let's check our Asia Composite Index right now, where it is moving. Oh, so it's still moving in the downward direction as we checked in the last time. It's just moving in the downward. So here it is moving. It changed the direction. Like suddenly it changed. And very quickly. It is on the top and top. Let me make 300. Just only 300. And let's check it will move to the upward or downward. Like you can use from here any composite index, and from here active trades you can see simple steps. You can watch the previous live stream videos, so you can get like how I getting these Japanese candlestick and these momentum lines, what is the useful of these. I explained in the previous live stream, so here I just directly started, and you can check if you want the previous live stream, so you will understand from where I can get these. It's moving, but I think it will come back to the downward. Oh, this one is the commodity composite index, and we have to check our Asia composite index because it's giving like pretty good percentage rate of the 93 percentage rate. It's just giving us. And Euro composite index now trying to move to the downward a little bit, not too much, a little bit. I just make 300 just for interest. Let's check our gold. Oh, nice. Gold is moving currently at see guys, here both are in the profitable trade, so let's check what will happen in just next 1 minute. 1 minute and 30 seconds we have to wait, and it's just looking like profitable trade completely, but here it's trying to completely downward, guys. What do you think? It will goes to the downward or upward? It doesn't matter if it reaches to the downward or upward, it doesn't matter because it's just 300 dirham, so it's okay as it is still moving in the upward. Our time remaining is 40 seconds, and here is 1 and 2 minutes. Let's check Europe composite index, which I make in the upward direction. Oh, it's completely like going very well in the upward direction. If I make it a 3000, then surely it gives the good profitable amount. And I am just thinking to make another one. Now both came back again in the profitable trade. Here just we have to wait for the 17 seconds, and after that it will give the profit which I invested here 300, and it is giving the profitable rate 279, like 280. It's similar because it's giving the percentage of the 93 percentage which we invest here. These are the percentage rate which we invest. This one also 20 seconds remaining, and here it's trying to move downward, but I think it can also come back to the upward. Here also I invested. Let's check our gold one. Oh wow, gold is already crossed the above one, and total profit you can see like this amount will increase now. Just 1 second. Yes, that's pretty good, really. Continuous for profitable trades. And I'm thinking to make the big one. Oh wow, gold is gone. 2-1.
ਪਰ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਾਲੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਥੋਂ ਰਾਈਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਭਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਇਹ ਰਾਹ ਮੱਚੇ ਲੋਕ ਕਾਮਯਾਬੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਆਉਣ ਡੋਲੀਆਂ ਪੈਰ ਖੱਟ ਜੱਟਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਭੱਜ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਿੱਤਲ ਨਾ ਕਈਆਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਹਿੱਕਾਂ ਖੋਲੀਆਂ ਪੈਰ ਖੱਟ ਜੱਟਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਭੱਜ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਿੱਤਲ ਨਾ ਕਈਆਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਹਿੱਕਾਂ ਖੋਲੀਆਂ ਪੈਰ ਖੱਟ ਜੱਟਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਭੱਜ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਦਲਣਾ ਕਈਆਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਹੱਕਾਂ ਖੋਲੀਆਂ
Here it's trying to move upward, but it can also move to the downward because the previous one is in the downward. So let's wait, it's not a big deal. And what about our Asia Composite Index, guys? Asia Composite Index is still moving in the upward direction, and here it's trying completely changeable to the downward direction. But I think it will come back again to the upward because here the yellow line is still moving in the upward, and the blue is still downward, but it can come back to the upward again. So I am going to finish this live stream. It's 2. Oh, let me check where is the time. Here it's trying. Like it's still in the profitable trade. Our gold. Gold is going. Wow. Incredible. Like I just made 2 times because one is like completely 100 not 1000% profitable trade, and if I lost this one then it's okay, it will be like just neutralize and equalize. So that's why 12 seconds. See guys, here 10 11. Wow, it will also have profit. If I make the 3000 here, then it's give me the accurate, it will recover all the losses. Here it's, you can see. It's trying to come back to the downward, but it's not coming in that downward. Check our so these are the profitable trades. Like if I just make here like 3000 3000 3000 3000 4 times 3000, it will gives the like huge bump. Really, believe me, it will give the huge money. Let's check our gold is still moving in the upward or downward. Four, 3, 2, 1. And guys, it's still moving in the like upward direction. Did you see? It's still moving in the upward. Here it's trying to come back to downward. So guys, it's time to close the live stream, and I am just making the last trade because you can see the history, like they are all profitable, profit everywhere is just only profitable trades here, like 6 profitable trades guys, 86%. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 minutes. It's just moving in the upward direction guys. It's really fantastic trade. The profitable rate is here in front of all of you, and 86% is the success rate. And you can see 5 profitable trades of the 8,190 by just only gold. Here it's trying to move downward. So guys, see you again. Bye bye. See you next live stream. Today is the profitable trade is 57,000, like it's 991. And as I told you, the time is gone. So see you again. Bye bye. I want to make the trade, but it's now trying to move downward, and for today it's like profitable trade, huge. So bye bye guys.